Dear students, this is Dr.Santhosh Anand. I'm a consultant laparoscopic and robotic liver pancreatic gastrosurgeon practicing in Apollo Hospital, Greaves Road, Chennai. So, my alma mater is Sri Vijays Vidyalaya, Pennagaram Road, where I did from 6th standard to +2. Then got selected to Coimbatore Medical College MBBS and then did my post-graduation and super specialty later. But one thing is for sure, Sri Vijays Vidyalaya definitely takes care of not only education, curriculum, but also the quality of students when they come outside. So they are being taught about life lessons, not just scoring in exams, but more importantly, they get themselves adapted to the current educational policies. The process of selection of faculties are excellent, and the faculties are in par with the best faculties throughout the India for NEET. With very good results being produced for the past 5 to 10 years, I'm very sure that you are in very safe hands to aspire for NEET and get through the exams in a flying color. So both the management, teachers, administrative staffs and principals, everyone are very friendly and definitely they pave us a way for a better future meant. So wish you all the best from me and come outside with flying colors.